Good morning, and welcome to Sacred Heart University's Fall Open House for Varsity Athletics, Club Sports, and Spirit here at Sacred Heart. My name is Rob Gilmore. I'm the Director of Campus Experience in the Office of Undergraduate Admissions. And on behalf of the university community, it's my pleasure to welcome you and your family to today's event. You're looking at us today because you have a passion for athletics, club sports, or spirit opportunities. And today we are going to showcase everything that Sacred Heart has to offer. Sacred Heart has one of the largest athletic programs in the nation. Today, we are going to showcase all of those to you in a variety of sessions so that you can expand on your passions both on and off the field. To welcome you on behalf of our admissions office and to go over the admissions process with you here at Sacred Heart, please welcome the Executive Director of Undergraduate Admissions, Pam Pillow.
I'm Pam Pillow, and I'm honored to welcome you to today's open house. I'm proud to call Sacred Heart University my second home. I'm a two-time alum, former varsity tennis player, and I've worked here for over 11 years. I'm here in our William H. Pitt Athletic and Convocation Center. The Pitt hosts 4 full-size basketball courts, a 5,000 square foot training facility, locker rooms, athletic training offices, academic support offices, and home to our coaches. When I was a student athlete, I would frequent this building on a daily basis. I hope after today's sessions, you might consider SHU to be your future second home too. Our admissions team would be honored to receive and review your college application. A few application options include early decision. The deadline is December 1st, 2020. Early decision is binding, meaning that SHU is your first choice, and upon acceptance, you will attend next fall in the fall of 2021. You may determine SHU to be your first choice from our academic programming, athletic options, or a sense of fit in the community. If this is the case, please consider applying early decision. The notification date is December 15th, 2020. The next option is Early Action 1, which is non-binding. The deadline is December 15th, 2020, and it's our most popular application deadline. It is also the deadline if you are applying to our Davis and Henley College of Nursing. All candidates are notified by January 31st, 2021. The next option is Early Action 2, which is also non-binding. The deadline is February 1st, and it's a great option for candidates who want to wait for fall grades or take a little bit more time to complete your application. The notification date is February 15th, 2021. All applications received after February 1st, 2021 will be considered on a rolling basis. We are a common application school, and application requirements include your official high school transcript, a letter of recommendation, one from your high school counselor, and an additional letter can be provided from a non-relative. Interviews with an admissions representative are highly recommended. They are required for students applying early decision. Interviews are offered in person after an on-campus tour or virtually. The submission of a test score, including the ACT or SAT, is completely optional for all programs. Just as a benchmark, the average GPA for incoming students is a 3.5. Financial aid is offered to all students. Students are considered for merit-based scholarships based on your GPA. Other grants are available based on interest. In order to qualify for financial aid, please complete the FAFSA and CSS profile. Both forms should be submitted in line with our application deadlines. Again, thank you for joining today's open house. Our admissions and financial aid chat room will be available for the duration of the event to ensure that all of your questions get answered. I wish you a wonderful day, and we look forward to connecting soon.
To welcome you on behalf of the Club Sport and Recreations program here at Sacred Heart, please welcome the Director of the department, Ray Mencio.
Good morning. My name is Ray Mencio. I'm the Director of Club Sports and Recreation here at Sacred Heart University. I'm coming to you live this morning from the Bobby Valentine Health and Recreation Center, which is the home for our Club Sports and Recreation teams. We're really excited to meet all of you today and to be able to talk about our premier club sports program, which is 35 teams over 30 sports for both men, women, and we even have some co-ed sports as well. This is a great opportunity to learn a little bit more about each of our teams and to be able to continue your athletic career only from high school into college. And if you want to try a new sport, we encourage you to do that as well. Looking forward to meeting every single one of you and seeing you all throughout the day.
To welcome you on behalf of our Division I varsity athletic programs here at Sacred Heart, please welcome the Executive Director of Athletics and a MLB legend, Bobby Valentine.
Hi, this is Bobby Valentine, Executive Director of Athletics here at Sacred Heart University, welcoming you to our varsity athletics and spirit open house. Hey, all of my administrators are waiting to help you. The admission people are here to assist you in answering any questions you have about Sacred Heart University, whether it's athletics, club sports, or being a student here at our wonderful university. So reach out to us. We're standing by. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
As Ray Mencio had mentioned, we're coming to you live today from the Bobby Valentine Health and Recreation Center here at Sacred Heart. Opened in the fall of 2019, this facility is a testament to the university's commitment to our students' health and wellness, as well as their athletic pursuits, both on and off the field. This facility is over 60,000 square feet of state-of-the-art workout space, including weightlifting areas, aerobics areas, an indoor suspended track, 2 multi-purpose courts, a 6-lane bowling alley, a golf simulator, areas for yoga, Pilates, and spinning, and so much more. And just to refresh you, we also have a aerobic smoothie bar as well. This building is revolutionizing the way that our university approaches athletics, and it's really something for you to see. This is just one of our many, many athletic fields and buildings on our campus. Others include our campus field, home to many of our Division I and club sports programs. We also have Pioneer Park Softball Stadium, home to our Division I and club sport softball programs. We also have Great River Golf Club, which is home to our Division I men's and women's golf teams. All of these combine to provide an excellent experience for our athletes at any level. So as you go through today, make sure that you take advantage of everything we have to offer. Sacred Heart is ready to welcome you and to offer you a continuation of the passions that you have exhibited in your high school careers. And don't forget, go Pioneers!